Good morning. Thank you guys for coming out to our demonstration this morning. My name is Richard Padilla with Jetstream out of Houston, Texas. With me today I have David Ozier, who's also out of Houston, Sean Baker, who's our automation application specialist, is here with us as well, and we have Peter Roblin out of our FS Solutions location out of Gonzales, Louisiana. We now have 11 FS Solutions locations for rental and sales. So, as you know, our industry is trending more and more towards hands-free automated cleaning, and for good reason. First of all, it's safer. You're able to get the flex lance and hose out of the operator's hands, which is extremely important. Secondly, is better cleaning, because you're able to control the speed of the lance or the hose as it goes in and out of the tube. And then finally, you're also getting better cleaning as a result of being able to keep the pressure on as you go into the tube or into the pipe, and also stay under pressure as you come back. So that improves your cleaning tremendously. So today we're going to look at two tools, automated tooling, that follow that automated piece. The SHR39 from Terydon is going to be a dual flex lance machine. And then we're also going to look at the StoneAge AutoBox ABX 500 automated hose feeding device, hands-free hose feeding device. So first, let's take a look at the Terydon SHR39. What you'll see here is that you have a 2 flex lance system able to run up to 8 millimeter, 40,000 PSI lances. You have 39 feet of flex lance on the reel. And the big advantage to this system is the reel itself. With some of the other automated flex lancing systems, the lance will come out of the exchanger and lay on the ground. And for some plants and some people, that may be an issue. With this particular piece of equipment, it's nice and neat back on the reel, and so it stays out of the way. The second thing you'll notice about this is the piece of equipment doesn't necessarily have to be in front of the exchanger. The hose reel can actually be off to the side, and you can have a jumper hose to go right into the front of the exchanger. Today we're going to be running 2 6 millimeter hoses with StoneAge Banshees on the front. So let's go ahead and do the demonstration for you guys. Now, as you can see, the operator was completely out of the way of the high pressure. He had control of the flex lances left, right, up, down, in, and out. And he was also able to control his pressure via an air actuated dump valve, which you can see he's actuating right now. So he has complete control of the pressure at all times. All right, so let's move over to the StoneAge AutoBox ABX 500. Where we had a piece of equipment over here that was moving flex lances. We now have a hose feeding device. This particular machine can handle hoses all the way to 1-inch NPT, 1-inch ID. The most important thing is that it also passes straight couplings and whip checks as well. So you're able to add on as many hoses that you need in order to get the job done. Again, this thing is very compact, easy to set up. And we'll show you right now, demonstrate how you load the hose, because of we really want to show you the simplicity of loading. You'll see that he just loaded the hose. This hose is driven with a series of rollers, moving it back and forth, and they're ready to go. He'll just shut that panel, and we'll be able to go ahead and start blasting. So today we're going to be running a 3/8 hose with a 4-inch badger running through this pipe system and show you how to negotiate a series of 90-degree elbows. And again, the operator will be completely out of harm's way. Again, the StoneAge AutoBox, able to control the hoses from 3/8 NPT all the way to 1-inch NPT, 1-inch ID, passing couplings and hose checks. And again, having the ability to have the pressure controlled going in and out of the pipe is definitely a big advantage. We appreciate you guys coming out to the demo. Please come see us in booth 421 to see these and a bunch of new products that we have available. Thank you. Oh, also wanted to thank Blast Bag for their use of their bag on the back of our exchanger, by the way. You guys can talk to us about those as well. Thanks.